Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going for our first little ride in this truck, right? Just to make sure everything is okay with it. Yeah, still sound kind of loud, but yeah, we're gonna take this thing for a spin, and hopefully, like I said, like I said before, guys, we might have problems now. It might run hot. Yeah, seems like they're changing good. Now they're saying the front passenger side tires is low. But we don't have a problem here. I hope we don't have a problem here. Back one is out, now the front one is on. You see? Let's turn here because I think I am getting a little bit, I'm doing a little bit too much on the main road. I don't want to do that. Don't want to go on the main roads, okay? I always like to stay on the back roads when I do these test runs. I'm gonna be honest with you, so far so good. So far so good. It seems to be driving fine. But we gotta keep an eye on things, you know. Gotta keep an eye on it. I don't know what they're saying. Tire 23. Maybe that'll go out. Like the rear one. The one in the rear did. Maybe it's gonna go out, but right now, saying I need air in the front passenger side. Gears changes good. The gears are changing good. Everything is good right now, guys. I'm surprised. It's actually doing better than I thought. I hope I didn't jinx it. Should knock on some wood. I should knock on some wood. I still need to check this fan. It's like it's turning too much. This radiator fan is turning too much. You can hear it from all the way in here. See that? I can hear the radiator fan still spinning. So I need to figure out what that is. I gotta figure out why that's going on. See, we gotta figure that out. And we got so much gas in here too, man. We gotta get rid of all this old gas. It's a lot of gas in here. I mean, not a lot. Almost half a tank. So that is a lot. You see, that is a lot because it'll take a while to burn all that out. I can drive to the abandoned flip And that's going to take most of that gas out, guys. When I drive to the abandoned flip, but I do this, I drive around here first because, you know, gotta make sure the car is worthy of going that trip, because that's like 45 minutes away, you know? It's like 45 minutes away, so I gotta make sure that this truck is worthy of that, guys. It might not be, so wait a minute. That seems gears seem to kind of struggle there a little bit, turning, changing gears right there. Yeah. Oh man, I almost took that. Probably go. Okay. I think we're doing good. I think we are doing good. Trying to hit some speed on this, see what we got here. Better than what I thought, yeah. Smooth, guys. I must say, it rides pretty smooth. The only problem we're having right now, I'm gonna get a picture of this little small house right here. Think about getting one of these and put it on yard 4. Yeah, I hope we got a good picture of that. Yeah, and I hope we did. I want to get one of those and put it on yard 4. You see? But yeah, everything's going good right now. Truck is doing a lot better than what I thought it was going to do. I thought we were going to have problems. I honestly thought that we were going to be running hot, guys. I truly believe that. But as you can see, we're driving just fine. We're driving just fine. We are driving just fine. Okay. Would I take it on the highway right now? No. I gotta do this for a few days right here, guys. Have to do this for a few days right here. Just drive it back and forth. You know, hit it with a little bit of up speed. Let's see if we can hit it right quick. Yeah, don't want to do too much. I guess for the first run, guys, we did good. We did good. For the first run, we did good. Now, we gotta do it again. and then probably do it 2 or 3 more times. Then we're going to the abandoned flip. We are gonna drive to the abandoned flip. And I always like to have a fire extinguisher in here, guys, because as you know, this was a fire. This was a fire vehicle. Yeah, this truck was also burnt, guys, and this one is doing absolutely wonderful. You hear me? It's doing it. Well, the first trip was wonderful. We don't know about the second. We don't know about the third, and we certainly don't know about the fourth. You see, because the fourth one is the long drive. Yeah, the first one will be the long drive. But for now, this was great. It was great. You see, I still, that's kind of why it's not in the middle. See, it's like it's still running cold. It's not building up heat like it should. Yeah, like it's not building up heat like it should. I don't know. It should at least be in the middle, I would think. I gotta check the owner's manual. Yeah, I gotta check the owner's manual. I gotta check it. I do. Well, okay, guys. This was the end of the video. Just a short one. Just the first test drive of our Copart burnt 2013 Chevy Equinox. And right now, guys, it's doing wonderful. Yeah, heat works. Well, the heat's gonna work. The air will not work yet because we don't have air in here yet. Burn up this gas when we go to the abandoned flip. It should burn most of it out. And we'll be good, guys. Yeah. We'll be good. So that's the end of the video. I would like to get to 200 by the end of the year, but I just don't think it's gonna happen. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen, but I would like to get there. With your help, I can get there. Okay. Yes, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you right there. Yeah, you. All right. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. I don't know which one. I think it will be yard 1. I was about to say 2. I think it's going to be yard 1, guys. But it may be yard 2 because you got to test it, drive this again. All right. I will see you guys. Peace.